Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, valid login credentials, and your application or roll number. Once ready, open the official Revenue Talati results portal and choose the correct exam session. Enter your username and password, then input roll/application number and the displayed CAPTCHA. This prevents delays. Make sure your mobile is reachable for OTP if prompted, and save a screenshot of any confirmation. These first steps get you into. Once signed in, you select the exam session, district, and taluka or circle to narrow results. Click View Result and allow the page to generate the table or PDF. If it takes long, wait rather than refresh. You should then compare your name, roll number, and marks with your application details. Make sure the cutoff and qualifying status display correctly. If a PDF appears, download and store it. This verification prevents errors and gives you a reliable record. To complete, download the result PDF and print or save a secure digital copy. This is your official receipt. Once saved, note your declared status, merit, waitlist, or eligible for recheck, and follow instructions for the next step like document submission. If something is wrong, make sure to capture screenshots and contact the Revenue Department helpline with your roll number and application details. If the page times out or PDF fails, clear cache. Try a different browser, or use the portal's grievance option immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.